What do e-commerce businesses need to know about cryptocurrencies? Hello, I'm Rachel Jones and you're watching Kalkine Media. Now, before we jump to any conclusion on whether any business, be it direct-to-consumer or an airline, should be accepting cryptocurrencies, we must first understand whether they are money or an asset. A Senate hearing titled Cryptocurrencies, What Are They Good For? Was dominated by critics of cryptos. Ironically, it did not make as many headlines as the B-Word conference. That's where multi-billionaire CEOs Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey extended overwhelming support to the crypto investment space. Recently, Amazon issued a clarification refuting the claim that it would accept cryptocurrencies as payment. Crypto assets have yet to become money. They are presently a commodity, the value of which can swing wildly. For small businesses, this could create a life or death situation. Secondly, large businesses are investing in Bitcoin and not accepting cryptos as a form of payment. Yes, a few companies like AXA Insurance may be accepting payment in Bitcoin, but it's just an experiment at a very small scale. Excessive power usage or extreme volatility aside, it's the cryptocurrency space's continuous rivalry with regulatory authorities across the world that makes it too risky. For big corporations, holding cryptocurrencies as an asset is a risk, but revenue comes from sales of products or services, and only a portion of this revenue is what they park in risky assets like cryptocurrencies. Another point here is, will suppliers accept payments in cryptos? Will employees accept wages in cryptos? The question is, where will businesses use them? Besides, this is not the perfect time to experiment with new things. Swings in macroeconomic indicators impact all investment spaces. When the economy is booming and people are earning good money as wages and not from government stimulus, money can be parked in risky assets like cryptos. At present, personal savings in the US has tumbled below $2 trillion. Money is scarce in the economy, and therefore accepting a volatile asset as money can heighten a business's exposure to risk. So what are the arguments in favor of accepting cryptocurrencies? Well, we now know that the direct-to-consumer business model has made a comeback. Many businesses exist exclusively on e-commerce platforms and sell products ranging from clothes to electronics to home furnishing items. They don't rely on a distribution channel. They don't even need a retail store to sell goods. In the DTC model, customer acquisition cost holds great significance. When a business exists only on e-commerce, it needs a perfect strategy to grab eyeballs. We accept payments in cryptos can be a rewarding branding tactic. If the business can convince suppliers to accept payment in cryptos, it might not be risky to accept cryptocurrencies from customers. Cryptocurrencies are no longer on the fringes but have become a mainstream investment instrument. The answer to whether businesses should start accepting cryptocurrencies is open-ended. Now, if you like this, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can press the bell icon to get notifications from our latest videos. You can also get more information from our website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkine Media.